everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you how to create a font on your iPad and Procreate. I create fonts on my iPad and sell them online to make a little extra passive income. I want to show you my whole process from start to finish so you can start creating fonts for personal or commercial use. First, we plan out our font using handwritten lettering inspiration from the board I created on Pinterest. If you have the Pinterest app, open the app. You can use any of these as your inspiration. Link to this board mentioned below. I would probably stick to the simple alphabets just to get to know this process. If I just click one of those as an example, you can scroll through and start getting an idea of what you could do with one of these fonts. We are probably going to simplify what we find here because fonts tend to be a little bit more simple than what you see in regular hand lettering. I will show you some of the fonts I have made as an example, so you can use my fonts as an inspiration to create your own or come up with your own font style. The amazing thing about this process is that you can create your own custom font with a handmade feel using only your iPad without needing any other equipment. The first is Procreate and second is calligraphy website. Procreate is a paid app but calligraphy free to use, so those are the things you will need for this purpose. Other than that, you will just need your iPad and a stylus. Let's get started. First, open your favorite browser. I go to Safari and type calligrapher.com. Then click the link to go to the website. Next, log in with your email. As you see, I log in already. Then we can see the main dashboard that gives instruction on how to create font. Just go through it once. At the end of dashboard, it's mentioned we can export up to 75 characters. So I stick up to 75 characters when I add letters. That's the limit set by them. If you wish, you can also choose Pro version to add more characters. Next, we are gonna build a template. So to do that, click the template option at the menu on the left top corner. Then select arbitrary characters. Here we have lot of options. Each option has different characters, special characters, numbers. So today to show you, I stick with a basic Latin option. So let's go ahead with it. Click on each letter to add that on our template. When we add that, block letter turns off visibility, which means that we added those letters to our template. Click add, and so it adds the letters to our template, and I'm keeping in mind the limit up to 75 characters. By this time you understand how I'm adding the letters to the template. So let's speed up the video. Once you complete adding the character, select the download template option from the menu, then choose PNG and tick both the option at the bottom. Select download. Next, select calligrapher template. Click on download, then go to that small arrow button at the top right corner to download the template. That takes us to the files folder on the iPad. Check on downloads folder. Click on the file to open our template. Now select download option box on the right corner. Click on save image. So I'm selecting the second file, doing the same process of saving the second template. Now we go to the photos and check the templates has been saved or not. So you see how amazingly we build the template. Before I continue with the video, if you guys are interested to buy digital planner sticker or Procreate or digital binder ring, you can purchase it from my website HedgeMatters.com, and the link to my website is mentioned as always in the video description. And also you can get a free download of my Cocoa and Choco font under freebies section from my website. So don't forget to download it. And if you have already signed up through HedgeMatters, then just check the weekly newsletter email to get all the updated work of me, and make sure to subscribe to my channel as it motivates me to continue my work. Now let's continue with the video. Open the Procreate app, click on photo at the top right corner, select the one of the templates which we created. Again, click on photo option, select other template photo, then drag the other template to place both the photos in one folder in Procreate, otherwise called as stack. Next, open the photo, click on other photo, select wrench symbol, select copy canvas option, then open other photo canvas, click on wrench symbol, select paste now. We brought both the templates in one canvas. Next, play around to select the brush today. I go with default brush that comes with Procreate, that is brush pen under calligraphy, and I'm selecting color black. We will use these templates as our guide to draw the letters. You can also create pattern letters here. And lettering is so popular right now, but a lot of people just don't have time to learn how to hand letter, which is why creating fonts with a handmade feel is such a marketable way to use your love of lettering to share your work with the world and make a little extra income. I'm just sketching on the letters here. Now you can understand the process. This is the time you can put your own music and enjoy the process of it. Once you complete hand drawing, click on print symbol, select share option, select JPEG and save both the canvas to photos gallery. Once you confirm saved, then open the calligrapher website. Then choose select my font option at the menu. Then select upload template. This pop-up window appears. Then click choose file. Select photo library option. Then select our hand-drawn template, click use and repeat same process for the another template. Once we complete uploading, both the templates would shown on the display dashboard. Next, click build font option on the menu. Name your font. I named my font as Coco. Then click build option. Next is preview our font. Adjust the size of font by sweeping on the preview size option. If you want, just play around on your own here, but I'm okay with this. Next, download the font. Select TTF file at the top. Click download. Then click on that tiny arrow on the top right corner. Select the font. Click download symbol for more options. Select iPhone Maker to install the font. Click install, then close the app. Go to the settings on the iPad, select the profile download, click install, then click as you scroll down, we can see the downloaded font. Now you open Procreate, open any blank canvas to see how the font came out. I type and check as we see how beautifully we can create our own custom font very easily. Next, I'm going to show you another tip how to display your font to sell them online. Go to unsplash.com, check for free download images. You can also give them credit by mentioning their name. So I'm just scrolling to find the image. I go with this picture because it has plenty of room to display my font. Click download and save it to photo gallery. Next, open Procreate app. Then click on insert photo. Bring the photo, then adjust the size. Type the font name. You can name whatever you wish. So that's it for today's video. And I would absolutely love to see the font that you create after you watch this video. So please share what you make. You can do that here on comment section, or you could tag me on Instagram or Facebook. You could also join the Facebook page I created for iPad artists, designer, letterers and digital planners. If you have any question as you work through this process, please reach out to me, or you can contact me through my website. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you again next time. Bye bye.